Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix YouTube sound issues on Android. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, go to Settings and navigate to Sounds and Vibration. Select Volume and ensure your media volume is turned up. Your phone has multiple volume controls, and sometimes using the physical buttons only adjusts the ringtone volume, not media volume, which is what YouTube uses. If that's not the issue, go back to Settings, scroll down to Apps, and find YouTube in the list. Open its app info screen, tap Force Stop, and confirm by pressing OK. Next, go to Storage, tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data, and confirm again. That's it. Your YouTube sound should now be working. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.